do like this church and you want to fellowship with us, you are very much welcome. We meet at 12 noon. We don't take too much time, 2 hours at the most. We meet right here upstairs. Just come in the way you came, go upstairs instead of coming into this place. That's where we meet on Sundays. Then we have communion service every third Sunday of the month. And as you see here, I don't know if you have this, we have this prayer meeting, this prayer session every first Friday of the month. First Friday of the month. That's why we're gathered here today. Then we have a conference, we have a Women on Bended Knee conference coming up tomorrow. Starting from 5 p.m. I think it's at the basement.
Yes.
At the basement. Just coming through there and you go down the other way. It's going to be a lot of fun. You are welcome to attend as well. Women of Bended Knees, but guys are also welcome. That's what I'm saying. Then we have the men's ministry, breakfast ministry. We do meet every second Saturday of the month in the morning, of course. The venue varies. The time is from 8 a.m. But this month we are meeting on the 3rd because of the activities for this weekend. We are meeting this next Saturday, so that tomorrow. We do that every month. We try to do that every month too, just for the men. There we not just to eat breakfast. We eat breakfast. We discuss and we fellowship and we get to know each other really deeper. Because the service is only 2 hours, we finally get to know each other during the service. So that's why we have that program going on, and it's been really great. Then we also have the musical revival. I think initially it was meant for the youth, and that is coming up on
Still
June
meant for them.
12th. Still meant for the youth. And we are all invited to attend as well. That comes up on June 12th. What is the time you get, Pastor Danny? We don't have time.
Starts at 6.
6 p.m. on June 12th. And that is musical revival for the youth. We are all welcome to attend. And God is going to bless each and every one of us as we do His work.
Amen.